vitamin B12, chlorophyll, hemoglobin, and the insulin. So all of these are the biomolecules, and we have to find out which has non-transition metal. So the transition metals are those which contain d orbitals in them, or the last electron goes to the d orbital. We'll go one after the other options. First one is the vitamin B12. It's a vitamin which is also given in the form of diet. So here it contains the metal ion as a cobalt. This cobalt is a transition element. So this can't be the answer. The next option we have is chlorophyll. Chlorophyll is a green pigment which is found in the leaves, which is responsible for the green color. It contains the metal magnesium, which is not a transition element. So magnesium belongs to group 2. So this is alkaline earth metal. And the third option we have here is the hemoglobin. We all know that hemoglobin has the atom or the element iron, which is again a transition element. And the last option we have here is the insulin. Insulin is responsible for the maintenance of blood glucose level, which contains the metal atom as a zinc. It is again a transition metal or transition element. So the one which doesn't contain any transition element in its structure is a chlorophyll.